Hi guys, so today we're going to make tomato vegetable soup. First you clean your tomatoes and then we throw them into a blender and we go ahead and blend that up. And then after you get it blended, you're going to go ahead and add about 3 cups of water. And you're going to use that, you clean the blender with it, but you're also going to throw that into your soup. Now first you're going to just put it in a pot and let that cook. And to get rid of the acidity, we're going to add potato, and you're going to let that cook, and you let that cook about 20 minutes while you're cutting your vegetables. And then you scrape the foam off the top because you don't want to eat that in your soup. And then we're going to go ahead and start cutting the vegetables. Here's the ones I used: carrots, onions, garlic, corn, green, celery, yellow peppers, purple cabbage, and string beans, and did I say garlic? Yep, and potatoes. And then it has what I did after I cut them. I cut them all up finely, and then you're going to go ahead and add that to your pot. And you're going to take that big potato out. Then you can put in half a box of rotini or whatever kind of noodles that you like. Just add it to the soup. From start to finish, this soup took me 2 hours to cook. Just cook it till your vegetables are tender. And what I had to do was add a little water, maple syrup. I put in there about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And as I was saying, I put a little bit of water, in my soup so that I had enough for the noodles. And there it is done. And it was very delicious. And I want you guys to give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.